learning today. We will read and write words with the N sound using KN, N, NN, and we'll also do the S sound using C, CE, and SE. And we will read the story, The Yard Sale, and answer some comprehension questions. You're going to take out this sheet of paper, 11.1. Okay, let's go over the word box. So we have sense, running, knit, winner, dinner, scent, knee, knot, nerve, fence. So we need to see what sounds we hear in each word and organize them. Let's start with the word sense. Where does that go? Right, under the N sound. How about the word running? Right, it goes under the NN spelling for the N sound. And the word knit. Right, goes under the KN spelling for the N sound. How about the word winner? Right, under the NN spelling. How about the word dinner? Good. How about the word scent? Right, under the N spelling. How about the word knee? Right, under the KN spelling. How about the word knot? Right, under the KN spelling. How about the word nerve? Under the N spelling. And the last one, fence. Good, under the N spelling. Pause the video here. Make sure you write your words on the lines and you do not have floating letters. Now what you're going to do is you're going to add new endings to the ends of these words, the endings of ED and ING. Because these words end in an N, we're going to add a second N when adding a new ending. So we're going to change grin, right, to grins and grinning. See how I put two N's there? We have is plan. Plan to planned, planning. Scan to scanned, scanning. Pause the video here if you need more time to write. Now you're going to go to 11.2, and what you're going to do is you are going to label the pictures. I'm going to read you the words in the word box, and then I want you to try, for the most part, on your own to label them. But I will also provide you the answers to help you as well, okay? We have the word scent, knot, dance, goose, mouse, knee, fence, prince, moose. We have the picture of the goose here, a fence, and a knee. Pause the video to write. Please make sure your handwriting is neat and not floating. What is the pictures of? We have a mouse, a moose, and a prince. You have a picture of someone dancing, so we're going to write dance there. Cent, because there's a penny, and we have a knot. The story we are reading today is called The Yard Sale. A yard sale is an event where someone sells used things in front of their home. It is called a yard sale because sometimes it's held in a patch of grass or yard in front of someone's house. In some places, they're also known as garage sales. Let's look at our vocabulary. Yard sale, an event where someone sells on the lawn outside of their home. For example, I bought a pair of skates at the neighbor's yard sale. Coil, material that is wound into a circle. For example, my grandfather asked me to put the coil of wire in the toolbox. Bin, a container that holds things. For example, the art teacher asked us to put the smocks in the red bin. Selfish, not thinking of others. For example, we are teaching my little brother that it is not nice to be selfish. Thrilled, very excited and happy. For example, the class is thrilled that we are going on a field trip. Sayings and phrases. 2 for the price of 1. It's an expression that means if you pay full price for an item, you will get another one for free. For example, we bought 2 sweaters for the price of 1. Now we're going to read our story. The yard sale. Grace went to a yard sale. There were lots of things for sale at the yard sale. There were books and games and shells. There was a long coil of rope, a knapsack, and a lamp. There was a rack of pants and dresses. There was a bin filled with forks, spoons, and knives for the kitchen. Grace spent some time looking at the books. She found one that she liked and one that was perfect for Jill. There was just one problem. She did not have the cash she needed to get the book and the one for Jill. She would have to make a choice. Grace saw that she would have to get just one book. But which one should she get? She looked at her book. Then she looked at the book for Jill. In the end, she dropped her book back in the box. Grace went to see the man who was having the yard sale. She said, "I would like to get this book." "Did I see you looking at 2 books?" said the man. "Yes," said Grace, "but I cannot get 2 with the cash I have, so I would like to just get this one for my sister." "Well," said the man, "you are in luck. We are having a sale for sisters who are not selfish. That sort of sister gets 2 books for the price of 1. So go run back and grab that book that you liked." Grace was thrilled. She ran back and got the book. What is the sale at the yard sale? Right. There are books, games, shells, rope, a knapsack, a lamp, pants, dresses, forks, spoons, and knives. Why can't Grace buy both books? Right. Grace does not have enough cash to get 2 books. Which book does Grace choose to get? Grace chose to get the book for her sister Jill. What does the man having the yard sale say to Grace? The man says that Grace can get 2 books for the price of 1. Okay, now I want you to take out this paper and write your name and date like I did. And let's answer some comprehension questions. Number 1. What is for sale at the yard sale? At the yard sale, there are books, a knapsack, and a lamp. There were more things in this, but this is the couple things that I decided to include. You guys can include more or different things, but I wanted to give you an example because there were many. What is Grace's problem? Right. Grace did not have the cash she needed to get the book for her and Jill. How was Grace's problem solved? Right. The man having the yard sale said she could get 2 books for the price of 1. Number 4. Why did the man let Grace get 2 books for the price of 1? Right. He let Grace get 2 books because she was not selfish. This ends today's skills lesson. Great job, guys.